What if I told you? In some countries, Bitcoin isn't an investment. It's literally the only way to survive. Money is supposed to give people stability, but in many emerging markets, their own currency collapses faster than they can earn it. Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that your life savings are worth half of what they were yesterday. This is not a movie. This is happening today in real countries. Two real families. Take Argentina. Their currency has lost over 90% of its value in just a few years. People rush to buy groceries the same day they get paid because waiting until tomorrow means everything becomes more expensive. So, what do? They move their savings into USDT or Bitcoin. Not to get rich, but simply to stop becoming poorer. In Turkey, people watch their currency fall again and again. Banks limited withdrawals. But you know what people couldn't be stopped from doing? Buying crypto on peer-to-peer apps, even if the government tried to control it. In Nigeria, the situation became even more extreme. The government changed the currency overnight. Old notes became useless. People stood in bank lines for days. Many lost everything. But crypto traders, they transferred their savings instantly. No bank, no approval, no panic. This is why crypto matters. Not for Lambos, not for hype, but because a digital wallet can protect you when your national currency can't. Bitcoin, USDT, and stablecoins have become the lifeboats for millions of people trying to escape sinking economies. A farmer in Argentina, a student in Nigeria, a shopkeeper in Turkey, all using the same global money because their local money has failed them. Governments can freeze bank accounts. They can devalue currencies overnight, but they cannot freeze your private keys. Crypto becomes hope where traditional money becomes chaos. And the world is slowly waking up to this new reality. Crypto isn't the future of money for rich countries. It's the present of money for suffering countries. If you want more videos that reveal hidden money truths, history, finance, crypto, and power, then subscribe to the channel. And share this video with one person who needs to understand why crypto actually matters.